In today's episode, we will be learning how to stealth mode on Zangi. To enable stealth mode in Zangi, first of all open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. Once you end up in the chat screen of Zangi account, go ahead and select a conversation from your conversation list. After you do that, tap on the contact's name or the group's name that you've opened up at the top right corner. Within the info section, scroll down and look for the stealth mode option. Tap on stealth mode, and in order to turn on the stealth mode for this specific contact, you will need to join Zangi Premium. If you haven't already, tap on the Try Premium button, and once you subscribe to Zangi Premium, you will be able to activate stealth mode for the chosen contact. So that's how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.